Hey guys, Rich Bassini here, your YouTube vlogger and creator. You know, the other day I put out a YouTube short video and it gained, well, I should say, this one right here, this one right there, you see it? It had over 3,000 views per hour. And when I went to look it up in my analytics to see how many actual views I got, it only turned out to be right here, 96. That was it. So from this, over 3,000 views per hour, and this was within, I would say maybe within a half hour or so, or something like that. This is how many views per hour it got. So with that, I reached out to the YouTube support team and I asked them, why is that? And for those of you out there who are, thinking about starting a YouTube channel, you already have a YouTube channel, I want to share this information with you guys for the simple reason is, you may be wondering, you might go through the same scenario like I went through and say, hey, I got all these views per hour, but yet I got very little views, actual views. So anyway, I reached out to them. I showed them, I read them, sent them a very brief question about it. And that video, that YouTube short video was done on April 23rd. And when they got back to me, it was April 26th. So anyway, this is how I wrote what I wrote to them there. I reached out to them. It says, hi, I have a question for you. I made a YouTube short video and had noticed it had over 3,000 views per hour. And noticed it only had 96 views. Could you please tell me how does YouTube's metrics work regarding VPH? Now, me personally, I thought, if it got that many views per hour, that I would have I don't know, maybe over 1,000, a couple thousand, whatever. Didn't turn out to be that way. So, on April 26th, that was done the 23rd, and April 26th, the YouTube support team got back to me. And it goes on to say, hi Richard, thanks for keeping in touch. I understand that the views are important to help your channel grow. We really appreciate all your hard work and the dedication that you put into creating amazing content. I will do my best to provide you with more information. I know that changing the video counts can be frustrating. Generally, it's normal to see fluctuations in your video views. We know that view counts are extremely important to you, so we work hard to ensure that they are accurate. Views can fluctuate daily as traffic behavior changes as we update a video view count. To verify that views are real, we may temporarily slow down, freeze, or adjust the view account, as well as discard low-quality playbacks. This can cause a video's view count to fluctuate as we verify that the views are accurate. Occasionally, when a video becomes popular quickly, it may take longer to confirm that the views are accurate. And it goes on to say, furthermore, after legitimate engagement events are counted, your metric count should update more often. The timing of these changes varies depending on the video or channel's popularity and views. Keep in mind that we are constantly confirming and adjusting engagement events. Rest assured that metrics and algorithmically confirmed to maintain fair and positive experiences for content creators, advertisers, and viewers. If you notice that your video views are constantly dropping, you may want to check out your optimization tips to help increase watch time. For more information on how engagement metrics are counted, you could also check this article. I already got them posted up already. I'm going to give you the links to those as well. And if you have any additional questions, please feel free to reply to this email. We wish you and your channel all the best. Sincerely, the Google YouTube team. The reason I'm doing this video, folks, is just to put it out there because some of you may experience the same scenario like I went through. You got a lot of views per hour, the VPH, and when you go look at your actual view count, you notice it has nothing to do with it. One doesn't conform with the other. That's why I look at it anyway. I'm thinking just the opposite. I'm thinking, well, if you get so many thousands of views per hour, that's how many people are looking at your YouTube video. But the way I understand it with this letter that they sent me, or email I should say, it doesn't seem to, the way I thought. So that's why I'm putting this out there, folks. Okay, especially if you're a new YouTuber, you're going to experience things like this as time goes on. Okay, I've been on this platform since 2013, and I've seen throughout the years how things changed. YouTube is always trying to, make this, the platform better for creators by adding different things, different features and stuff like that, and it's greatly appreciated. I love YouTube. That's why I got the hat. Right? But I wanted to put this information out there to you guys out there who may be experiencing this here. So don't take it the wrong way. Don't look at it like, oh, my video bombed out, and because that's why I'm bringing it to your attention. Because myself, I speak for myself that when I seen it, I was like, wow, this video is gonna jump off. It's gonna go explode. With a lot of views, and maybe get a lot of positive feedbacks on it and likes. And it didn't work out that way, but that's okay. I'll take 96 over 0 any day, right? I don't know what it is now. I didn't look at it today, during this video right now. It might have went up, it might have went down. I don't know. Who knows? I don't know. Well, I don't know about going down. Well, it depends. If they're cleaning house and, they got to make sure everything's up to snuff, it may drop in view counts. Who knows? But anyway, the last time I looked at it, the day I made that video, well, yeah, it was 96 counts was the total, or views was total. So, hey, it is what it is. Okay. Now, I'm going to show you some sites here. I'm going to drop the links for you to read more into this, because I don't want to keep this video too long. Okay. So let me just scooch out the side over here, and let me go over here. All right, and these are the sites I got over here. As a total of 5 of them here, and I'm going to share them with you. I'll drop the links below so you can read. I'm not going to read much into them. I'm just going to maybe do a little highlights of it. And the rest is up to you. You could read at your own leisure. Okay. It says how engagement metrics are counted. Okay, and it says over here, YouTube engagement metrics, views, likes, dislikes, and subscriptions reflect how many times your YouTube video or channel has been interacted with. These metrics can be an important measure of your video or channel's overall popularity. Now you can read more into this here. You can see it says change in metrics, paid advertising views, and so on. Check your views with YouTube Analytics, which I always do on pretty much a daily basis. And then when you go down over here, you got the YouTube's community guidelines. And if you're a new YouTuber, I highly recommend that you do check this information out. It can only broaden your knowledge on becoming a better creator. All right, so check it out. And here you got YouTube Brand Connect overview, YouTube self-certification overview, super chat and super stickers eligibility, availability, and so on. And then you got the super thanks eligibility, and then you got the premiere new video. Now they got the thing now with podcast. Okay, so they're adding podcasts in the mix as well. I will drop this link here for this one here. And this one over here is discovery and performance. So you got the FAQs here, which you may want to read more into it. As you can see here, it's got a whole bunch of them here. These are all active hyperlinks, folks. And for those who don't know what an active hyperlink is, when you see the arrow turn into a hand, that's an active hyperlink. It's going to take you to another page. Okay. So as you can see here, YouTube goes out of its way to keep you informed and up to date as to how their system works, and what they require of you as a creator. Okay. Yeah, like this one for instance, how videos are ranked, and suggested under next, whatever. How are videos ranked and searched, and so on and so forth. Good information. Read it. Study it. Whatever. It can only help you. Can't hinder you. And then you got one over here. Create YouTube Shorts. Okay, this is another one, and this is a video clip. I'm not going to play it here. Basically, I played the video ahead of time, and this one here is pretty good information. I think, if I'm not mistaken, I think this video is about 6 minutes long, whatever, and it really gets into some basic details, but it's also telling you how good YouTube Shorts are. That how many the viewers it gets and stuff like that. So you might want to check out this video over here. And again, you can read it on here. Get some more information. Create a short. It tells you, all right, to create a short on YouTube, whatever. It gives you all this information. Okay, and you got some more active hyperlinks, add music, and adjust recording speed, and so on and so forth. That's another one. And then you got this website over here, get creative tips. You got the video tips, live tips, and shorts tips. So you might want to look into that one. And last but not least, we got one over here. They have a YouTube channel here, Creators, right? It says welcome creators, how things work. And again, everything you need to create it on YouTube. Okay, you got that information there. Okay, and then it goes on to your updates, new ways to earn, how things work. Okay, getting started in YouTube, how to make money on YouTube, policy and guidelines, and so on and so forth. Now, I put this information out there for you guys. I hope you'll take advantage of it. Like I said, I don't mind doing the research. Like I used to say in my videos, I do the research so you guys don't have to. I just hope you'll make use of it. Okay. Basically, the point I was trying to get across is to the new YouTubers out there that you're gonna experience these things as time goes on, and it's nothing to get all upset over. Like I said, yeah, I mean, I thought my video was gonna like take off like that when I seen it, but reading more into it, I could see how they justify in views. So just keep that in mind, okay, guys. All right, as right now, I will be working on my next video, and I will get back to you guys. But before I close out this video, I just want to say this really quick. When it comes to creating your YouTube videos, the 5 things I always say: keep it real, keep it original, and let your channel grow organically. Okay. Don't forget good thumbnails and titles. All right. And lastly, I wish you guys all the best of luck, the best of success. Go out there and make those videos. There's a lot of people out there would love to see them. I know I would. So please, and don't give up on your dreams, whatever you do. Please don't give up on your dreams. Share your talents and passions with the world. Believe me, there's people out there that will watch your videos. I know for a fact, because if it's working for me, it'll work for you guys. I will talk to you the next time. Bye-bye for now.